What is Vastu Shastra? What do you know about Vastu Shastra? Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. What is Vastu Shastra? You know, when you buy a place, a house, without considering what has happened in this place, in the past, on this land, gallery, place, house, or wherever you want to buy, has anyone committed suicide here? Has anyone been raped here? Has anyone's rights been violated here? Has there been, fighting, anger, arguments, or psychological tension? Has it been heard and proven that there have been unhelpful energies present? And that bad, unhelpful, negative events have occurred from time to time? From many years ago to now. You buy and all the energies associated with that land beneath your feet from 1,000 years ago till now will connect to your existence and your life, and anyone who will be or wants to live there in that place. These energies affect the path of life in your future. Psychologically, spiritually, professionally, financially, emotionally, and everything else you cannot even think of. You may give up. You may give up on so many important things. For example, you may give up on your goals, and your relationship may break down, or you may lose something or someone that is important to you. Unfortunately. And little by little, things will happen within your mind, your being, and sense of life, sense of happiness, sense of life that will leave you. You so confused and bewildered that you won't know where the origin and source of all this is coming from. All of this is due to a lack of attention to the history of what happened, and that can't be done with a simple question from the person you want to buy from. You have to do your research and find out. And the seller shouldn't find out. After research and inquiries, you need to decide what you want to do. So now you know what is Vastu Shastra. It's so important. Dear Unique, if you like my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone you know that it's important, and that person should listen to this video and watch this video. Thanks for watching. Dear Unique, always remember, there is only one you. Okay? Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever and beyond.